You are listening to Free Minds Club, the one and only YouTube channel to promote hidden talent from each and every corner of the country. Today in this video we are going to tell you about Ayat, a co-author of anthology Kuch Unki Alfaz, Kuch Hamari Awaaz. Ayat is a young girl from Kishtwar. She is a perfect mixture of sugar and spice. She is an Urdu poetess, but sometimes writes poems in English too. She has passion to write poetry. She have a body of steel but heart of gold. Her friends and family are her biggest strength. Words are world to me is the only thing, Ayat always says. She believes that she will be a successful writer one day, and will serve the people by her poetry. For her poetry is something that gives relief to people. Many people find something relatable in her poetry. Ayat thinks that writing is the best way by which she can express her thoughts and emotions to everyone. Her Instagram link is given in the description.